Do you remember when Salman Bhai said, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए छे, मेरे दिल का ले गए छे, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन. So today's reflex focuses on the connection between eye and the heart, that is oculocardiac reflex. That means we understand that the stimulus is from the eye and the response is from the heart. That means the sensory part is carried by the trigeminal nerve which supplies the eye, and the motor part is by the visceral motor nerve, that is vagus. So these tend to meet at the brainstem because they originate, the nuclei are in the brainstem, so the connection happens in the brainstem. So let us see. There are stretch receptors in the sclera, conjunctiva, and the extraocular muscles and the periocular structures which receive the stimulus of stretch or pressure. This pressure sensation is carried along by the long and short ciliary nerves to the ciliary ganglion. From there it is carried to the Gasserian ganglion. From the Gasserian ganglion, via ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve, it is carried to the trigeminal nucleus situated in the brainstem. In the brainstem, it communicates with the motor fibers of the vagus nerve via the reticular formation. Okay, so via reticular formation, this communication happens in the brainstem. This, in response, stimulates the vagus nerve, which supplies to the SA node and the heart. So what happens when vagus, that is parasympathetic, is stimulated? There is bradycardia. Okay, so this reflex tend to be more prominent in the younger age groups, like that is the infants and the young adults. Okay, and it is more problematic in them also, while older people are not much affected. Okay, there is also a study which states that medial rectus muscle has more of this tendency to elicit this oculocardiac reflex, but there are few other studies says all muscles are the same. So yeah, this is oculocardiac reflex. The stretch or the pressure on the globe of eye will cause bradycardia. Okay, thank you.